Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the Upstream air fuel ratio sensor or oxygen sensor on the Dodge Avenger. So let's pop the hood. Let's get it. All right, so before we begin, I'm going to show you the code that I'm getting. So we're going to connect it to the OBD2. All right, diagnostic. I like to scan everything, so I just check everything. All right, it's almost done. All right, so now we're going to clear. So we're going to disconnect the ground. It's a 15 mil. Disconnect that and just move it to the side. Alright, so on the passenger side, the connector is right here. So all you gotta do is push down on this tab and then pull out. I ain't gonna be able to do it on camera, but I don't know. Let's see. There we go. So it's disconnected, so we can safely remove it from the exhaust manifold. So you're going to need a 7/8 22 mil oxygen sensor socket. So just go back here, slide it on. So I'm gonna get my ratchet and then we're gonna break it loose. All right. I'm gonna break it with the impact because it's too tight. There we go. Just a couple love taps to break it loose. Now we can do the rest by hand. All right. So now we're gonna get our new one, which is all right. So once the AutoZone, we got this. It was about $20. So it should already have NRCs on it. Yep. So now we're gonna put this in here. And tighten it up. Let that thing go in the air. Alright. Leave that dangling right there. Now we're gonna tighten it. It should be the same exact size. Yep. Alright, get the ratchet. I'm doing that way I'm not accidentally busting my knuckles in case it slips. Alright, that's as tight as I can get it. Make sure I get my ratchet out. And we can reconnect the harness. And voila. Alright, so now that we're done, we can reconnect the ground. Right. So that's how you replace your Upstream oxygen sensor, air fuel ratio sensor on a Dodge Avenger. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.